Dear students, here we are discussing the class 7 English for summative exam 2. I have already uploaded a video on lesson 7 Mowgli Among the Wolves unit 1. Today I am going to discuss on lesson 7 Mowgli Among the Wolves unit 2. As I have already told you that it's not possible to read out the full story from the text here. So I am just giving you the outlines, the gist of the story. But you must have to read out the full story from the book and then listen this video 3 or 4 times. Then your preparation could be perfect. Okay. So let's start. It is the second part of the story. I have already told you the first part of the story. The foolish Sher Khan burnt his feet by jumping at a woodcutter's campfire while hunting the man. The man, we don't know who is the man here. The man was none but a brown baby without hair. So this is the man. The man was none but a brown baby without hair. The baby stood in front the wolf's den, holding on by a low branch. Mother wolf was extremely delighted as she had never seen a man's cub baby. Man's cub, this is the jungle language. As these animals live in the jungles, so they speak in the jungle language. So they mention baby, human baby as man's cub. Meanwhile, Sher Khan came there in search of the baby and demanded it. Baby, the man's cub. Father Wolf denied because wolves are free people and took orders only from the head of the pack and not from the striped animal type. They are mentioning tiger as striped animal because you have seen the tiger has yellow and black stripes on his body. That's why the tiger is called the striped animal. Tiger got ready for fight, but the mother wolf sprang forward. The tiger backed out of the cave mouth, finding the ground advantage the mother wolf had. What is the ground advantage here? Ground advantage means the advantage of the ground where the mother wolf was standing. From there it was very easy to attack the tiger. That's why he had the ground advantage. The father wolf then showed the baby to the pack of the wolves and sought permission to keep him with them. At the pack council, Akela, the great grey wolf, asked if anyone wanted to speak for the baby. Balu, the bear, spoke for the baby and he promised to teach him himself. Then came Bagheera, the black panther. Nobody dared to cross his path for his cleverness, boldness and recklessness. But he had a very soft voice. He also spoke for the baby. Moreover, he said that he, the baby, could be the leader of the pack in future because the human baby is wise as the men are. At last, Akela, the pack leader, gave the permission to take away the baby to the father wolf and advised him to train the baby so as to befit one of the free people. I repeat, at last, Akela, the pack leader, gave the permission to take away the baby to the father wolf and advised him to train the baby so as to befit one of the free people. That is how the baby Mowgli was entered into the Seeonee wolf pack. Mowgli is the name of the baby man's cub. Mowgli means frog. In the jungle language, Mowgli means frog. This name was given to the baby by the mother wolf just before the sitting of the pack council. And the baby derived his name Mowgli from his mother, the mother wolf, not his real mother, but the mother wolf has given him the name Mowgli. Okay. So here is some questions for homeworks. You answer these questions on your copy and show them to your concerned teachers. A. Choose the correct option. Mark 1. A. Sher Khan was a lion, jackal type. Here are 3 options. You have to choose the correct option, the correct one. B. The leader of the pack was Akela, Balu, Mowgli. C. The name Mowgli was given to the baby by Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, Bagheera. Okay. Now the question B. Complete the following sentences. Here is, you can see here that there is a blank portion. You have to fill up these blank portions by taking the remaining part of the sentence from the text. A. None dared to cross the path of Bagheera because of his ... B. Sher Khan burnt his feet ... C. Sher Khan backed out of the cave mouth ... Okay. Now see, answer the following question. Very simple questions. Marks 4. A. How was the voice of the Bagheera? You have to mention the voice of the Bagheera. B. Who promised to teach the baby, that is man's cub? C. Why was Mother Wolf so delighted when she saw the baby first? Mother Wolf was very delighted when he saw the baby first, the man's cub first. Why she was so delighted? You have to mention that. D. Why did Father Wolf deny to listen Sher Khan when he demanded the baby? So these are the questions. Okay. You first read out very carefully the text from the book and then listens this video, this outline for 2 or 3 times, and then try to answer these questions and show them to your concerned teachers. Okay. No more today. Take care and stay healthy.